Financial Management Unit 4, fill in the blanks. Unit 4 contains current assets management and dividend decisions. Current assets management includes credit policy, credit management, inventory management, working capital management, cash management, etc. So we have the questions related to them. First question, EOQ stands for Economic Order Quantity. Second, number of orders to be placed in a year. Number of orders to be placed in a year means total quantity divided by EOQ, or annual quantity, annual requirement, annual consumption divided by EOQ. Last also question also related to this. Next, optimum order quantity is also known as dash, economic order quantity. Fourth, holding cost is also known as, holding means storing or carrying the inventory. It's also known as carrying cost or storing cost or storage cost. Fifth, buying cost is also known as, buying means procurement, acquisition or purchasing. So buying cost is also known as purchase cost, procurement cost or acquisition cost. Any one answer is fine. Gross working capital is equal to current assets. Net working capital is equal to current assets minus current liabilities. It's the difference between both. Next, 8. Customer advances are the dash sources of working capital. Customer advances are the short-term sources of working capital. Next, in FNST classification, F stands for fast or fast-moving items. 10th, dash management refers to the process of ordering, storing, and using a company's inventory like raw materials, components, and finished products. It's inventory management. Answer is inventory. 11. In ABC analysis, B items are given moderate degree of importance. In ABC analysis, C items are given lowest degree of importance. A items are given highest or high degree of importance. In VED analysis, V stands for vital, E stands for essential, D stands for desirable. 17th, in dash classification of stock items is based on nature of suppliers. Who are supplying them? Based on that, we have Golf analysis. What is this Golf? We'll see in 18, 19, 20 and 21st question. In Golf analysis, G stands for government supplies. G is over. Next question. O stands for open market supplies. L stands for local or locally available local market supplies. F stands for foreign supplies. Means we are going to get it from the foreign such goods. 22nd, the formula of operating cycle. Operating cycle is nothing but R plus W plus F plus D plus whole minus C. So R means raw materials, W means work in progress, F means finished goods, and D means data. This is the time taken actually, minus creditors means how much time we are giving to creditors. So it's the operating cycle. We will have at the end related question. And the second question, next question is also related to that. Inventory time, that's raw material, finished goods, work in progress time, plus accounts receivable time, that's the debtors time, minus accounts payable time, that's the creditors time. It's nothing but operating cycle. The answer is operating cycle. 24. Dash management is the process of making decisions relating to trade debtors. Debtors are the people who are buying goods from us on credit. We have given them the credit, so the answer is credit management. Credit standards, length of credit period, discount is dash. So what about related to credit policy? The answer is credit policy. Next, HML classification. H stands for dash value items, high value items. M stands for medium value items. L stands for low value items. 29. The dash analysis is based on the nature of suppliers and period of their availability. Already you have seen nature of suppliers. We have given the goals. Now here, apart from the nature of suppliers, we have period of their availability. So it's SOS classification. Now what is this SOS? We'll see in the next two questions. 30th. In SOS classification, S stands for seasonal items. Next, SOS classification, OS stands for off-seasonal items. So that was the answer. Next, 32. In F and ST classification, N stands for dash moving items. Normally moving items. And S stands for slow moving items. D stands for dead. It means non-moving at all. Not moving. During the AGM or at the end of the year, dash dividend is announced. Regular dividend is announced. 36. Between two AGMs, dash dividend is announced. Between two AGMs, we don't have regular dividend, so answer is interim dividend. 37. Dash dividend is paid in the form of issuing shares instead of cash. When they don't have the money, they do that. So that's a stock dividend. 38. Dash approach is a relevance approach. We have Walter, Gordon, Lenzner relevance models. So Modigliani and Miller is a relevance approach. So answer is Modigliani and Miller. Next, 39th question is a formula. It's a formula of Walter model. Next, 40th question, again formula of dash model, Gordon model. 41, R plus W plus F plus D minus whole minus C. So we have already seen this in the earlier operating cycle. Now the last question related to the second question. 42nd question, annual demand divided by issue. That's number of orders to be placed in a year. That's all. Thank you very much.